Hey guys, I'm here with my dad. We're gonna be playing
Woo!
some Minecraft. So let's get into it. First, I'm gonna be showing you how to get a command block.
Dude, close this screen back here. Right.
Yeah, close
We
it.
don't want that to be there. Hey guys, this is J-Rock Slammer's dad. Just helping out a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Don't mind me.
Wait, what?
What?
I can't go up. I can't look up.
Wait.
I can't look up.
Hold on a second.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, you just gotta put it smaller.
Okay, so here we go. I think this is something that my friend did that I had over yesterday. So
Just bear with me.
first, you see I already have a command block in my inventory, but I'm just gonna be showing you how to get one. So you press T if you're on a computer. You press T and then type in give space. Wait, hold on. Slash give space J-Rock Slammer command block, and then type enter, and you have two command blocks over here. I have two command blocks because I already have one in my inventory. So yeah, that's basically it for how to get a command block. So see you in the next video of J-Rock Slammer. Okay, bye.